Play the fool and find out. A strong warning to criminals this evening who may want to disrupt construction activities for a multi-billion-dollar investment project. Now, this warning comes from Prime Minister Dr. Andrew Holness at the groundbreaking ceremony for the Rain Tree Commercial Complex in Caymanas, St. Catherine.
For those criminals listening, for those dons listening, for those who feel that they have control over this area, try it and see. Play the fool and find out.
The warning from the Prime Minister to criminals who may want to profit from the construction of the Rain Tree Commercial Complex. Dr. Andrew Holness reiterated that the Jamaica Defence Force JDF will be deployed to secure the site if required.
To ensure that no criminal, that no don, that no one who feels that they have control over any area can come here and say they are securing the site or extorting. If we allow that to take root at the beginning of the construction, then we would have given up the sovereign control of the state over the development and set the basis on which things like extortion would reign.
For the Prime Minister, Jamaica is now different. Since the start of the year, murders are down over 35% and billions of dollars have been spent to upgrade the capacity of the security forces.
So those criminals who believe that they are operating in the same space are mistaken. And it is important that I warn them, because when they get what is coming to them, and there are those who will cry out in sympathy for them, the society will know that I went to great lengths publicly to warn them.
The $3.8 billion Rain Tree Commercial Complex is being undertaken by the Urban Development Corporation. It is expected to attract private investments of over $15 billion.
We expect 2,000 jobs to be created, and over the long term, this complex has the potential to accommodate more than 5,000 permanent jobs, many of which will be in high-growth sectors, such as business process outsourcing, logistics, manufacturing, warehousing, and other commercial activities.
50% of the overall master plan will be preserved for green spaces, and the Prime Minister insists the environment will be protected.
We also believe that with the deep respect for the environment, but with the embrace of technology and understanding local customs and people, that we can usually find a happy equilibrium where we can be good stewards of the environment and at the same time secure economic benefit for our people.